Prynhawn da pawb, a chroeso I sesiwn gynta Ceredigion Active Ffit and Pimp yn y prynhawn. Hello everybody and welcome to Ceredigion Active's first ever Ffit in 5 afternoon session. Syniad newydd ni wedi cael I wneud pethau gan bod plant gyd nôl yn ysgol. We've got a new idea to do it this time of day because everybody's back in school as of today. So an idea now to do it straight after school. So cofiwch, nôl ysgol, after wneud 5 munud o gweithgareddau gyda Ceredigion Active. You can come home from school and do 5 minutes exercise with Ceredigion Active. Yr un rheolau ac yn y bore. So newch siŵr bod digon o lle I gael. Okay, make sure you've got enough space. A bottle of dŵr. You've got your drinks bottle with you, your water bottle. Same rules in the morning. 5 gweithgaredd, 5 exercises, munud ar pob un. A wedi torri yn 2 ddarn o 30 eiliad, broken into 2 sets of 30 seconds. Twymo lan, 5 gweithgaredd, oeri lawr. Warm up, 5 exercises, cool down. Cofiwch, os dim os chi'n watcho ar tudalen Facebook neu tudalen YouTube, bod chi'n gwasgu'r thumbs up. Please, no matter where you're watching, Facebook or YouTube, that you give us the thumbs up button. So, os yw pawb yn barod, ni'n dechrau twymo lan. Digon o lle, a ni'n dechrau jogo ar ysmote. Okay, we're going to start jogging on the spot. Mae'r tywydd yn braf, mas I fas. Byddwn ni'n neud mas I fas. Ond mae gomor o sŵn ar y hel. I was thinking of doing it outside in the garden today, but the road's too noisy. You wouldn't be able to hear me. Right, cadw fynd a jogo. Keep going with your jogging. Newch siŵr bod y brechi'n symud a bod y trad yn dod off the llaw. Okay, remember these rules? That your arms are moving as well and that your feet come up off the floor. Da iawn chi. Okay, ni'n mynd I dechrau codi pan linio lan eich her. Okay, start marching your knees up nice and high. Cofiwch bod brechi'n chi dal yn symud. Your arms are still moving. Knees coming up nice and high. Da iawn chi. Tro ma, ni'n mynd I cico lan tu ôl. We're going to kick up behind. Okay, off a knee. A nôl I jogo, back to jogging. Da iawn. Okay, tro ma, ni'n mynd codi coes. Plygu mas. Okay, lift your leg up. Bend outwards. Mas, a lan, a mas. Up and out. Da iawn. Un to, pob ochr, one left on each side. Da iawn, nôl I jogo. Cofiwch bod y brechiau dal yn fynd. Okay, tro ma, ni'n mynd dechrau y cwrs mas a dod mewn. I'm going to start with the leg out wide. Bring it in. Da iawn. Mas, mewn. Mas, mewn. Da iawn. Ni'n ôl ar pob trod. Mas, mewn. Last one on this side. Mas, mewn. 5 eiliad o jogo. 5 seconds of jogging. 3, 2, 1, off a knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, da iawn chi. Right. 5 gweithgaredd heddi, the 5 exercises to go. Rhif 1, traed chwym ochr I ochr. Fast feet to the side. Rhif 2, down your awyr, air punches. Rhif 3, panelyn I penglin, knees to elbows. Rhif 4, lunge i'r ochr, side lunges. A rhif 5, night siren, star jumps. Yw pawb yn barod. So, un gyntaf, traed chwym i'r ochr. Dim os le chi yn box bach chi, os chi gadre bach mwy ffeili, home you've got a bit more space. Ni'n mynd I dechrau jogo os moti. Try chwym, a ni symud draw un ochr. Symud nôl. Okay, we're going to move one side, and then move back the other side. So we're working side to side. Ni'n gweithio ochr I ochr, a mae trad chwym yn fynd gyda ni. Pawb yn barod. Coc yn barod. Chi'n barod. 3, 2, 1, off. So trad chwym. Symud draw fan hyn, symud nôl, cofiwch, bod y brechiau a trad yn symud. Remember, your legs, your feet and your hands moving really quickly. Symud ochr I ochr, side to side, da iawn chi. Cadw fynd, llai na 10 eiliad ar ôl, less than 10 seconds. 3, 2, un. Cofiwch brek, reit de. Fi'n mynd ffordd arall, I'm going this way this time. Okay, so mynd o drws at y cyfyddiadau. Chi'n barod? 5 eiliad I fynd. 3, 2, 1. So tra'n chwyn. Fi'n symud drawch yma. A'n agosach I chi. A wedi symud oddi wrthoch chi. I'm going to move it closer to you. And then further away from you. Da iawn chi. Hanner ffordd yn barod. Well done. Cofiwch bod y brake yn symud. Your arms are moving. 5 eiliad ar ôl. 3, 2, 1. Da iawn chi. Cicwch mas os mae a little kick out if you need. Diod. Rhif 2. Done yn awyr. Air punches. Chi'n cofio hyn o blaen. So ni'n mynd 1, 2, 3. A wedyn bwrw am lan. So 1, 2, 3. And then the uppercut, okay? So pawb, cymwch lle. Get yourself an adl bach. Nôl. Get yourself a little bit of breath back. 3, 2, 1. Dwylo lan. 1, 2, 3. Am lan. 1, 2, 3. Am lan. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. Lan. Good. 1, 2, 3. Lan. Cofiwch bod neb ar boes chi. Nobody's by you. You're only punching the air. Da. Lan. 1, 2, 3. Lan. 1, 2, 3. Lan. 1, 2, 3. Lan. Gofynwch hwnna. Cymwch diod as mae have a little drink. Important to remember. Plenty of room when we're doing the air punches and we're not going to hit anyone by accident. Tryma. 1, 2, 3. A round. Off and in. 1, 2, 3. Round. 1, 2, 3. Round. 1, 2, 3. Round. Diane. 1, 2, 3. Round. 1, 2, 3. Round. Diane. Round. 1, 2, 3. Round. 1, 2, 3. Round. 1, 2, 3. Diane. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Round. 1, 2, 3. A gorffen fyna, da iawn chi, well done. Cymwch diod. Penelyn I penlyn, knees to elbows. Rhaid ni mynd lawr y llaw, down to the floor. Fel sit up. On, bring it lan. Mae penelyn, mynd I cyffwrdd, pen glin. My elbow touches the opposite knee, okay? So I'm gweithio opposites, so there, and cyffwrdd a chwith. Chwith, and cyffwrdd a there. Pawb law, 3, 2, 1, off a ni, lan, cyffwrdd, law, lan y cyffwrdd, law, lan y cyffwrdd, down we go, up a touch, down, up a touch, down, da iawn, cofiwch bod ni'n neud llaw, braich a coes gwrth-erbyn, opposite arms to legs, da iawn chi, 5 eiliad I fynd, 3, 2, 1. Cymwch gorffen fyna. Eistedd llaw. Stay on the floor. Cofiwch bod ni'n gweithio opposites. Remember we're working on opposites. Sy'n mae calon fi'n mynd. O, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5. Okay. Off a ni. Let's go. Lan y cyffwrdd. Lan. Da iawn. Okay, make sure we're coming all the way up. And our elbow is touching our knee. Da iawn chi. Gweithio'n galed a prynawn dy llun. Diwrnod gyntaf nôl ar ôl y gwyliau. 5 eiliad I fynd. Digon am 1 to. 2, 1. A gorffwys. Da iawn chi. Have a little rest. Os mae eisiau diod, we need a drink. Ein nesa. Lunge i'r ochr. Side lunges. Okay? So mae coes, mi'n mynd mas i'r ochr. A pwyso. Okay, one leg goes out and you lean on the other leg. Okay, so un coes yn mynd mas, pwyso coes ochr draw. Pawb yn barod, 3 eiliad. Off a ni, so ni'n rhoi un coes mas, a pwyso fel la. 3, 2, 1. Newid drosto. Coes mas, pwyso fel la. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we put a one leg out, Weight on this leg. 3, 2, 1. Up. Switch over. Leg out. Weight on this leg. Da iawn. A'n cyfri tair eiliad I pob un. 3, 2, 1. A lan. Coes mas. 3, 2, 1. Cymrwch gorffwys. Have a break. Cerdded o gwmpas. Siglo. Un set o hynna I dod. Another set of those to come. 5 eiliad gyda ni paratoi. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. So coes mas. Pwyso. 3, 2, 1. Da iawn. Coes mas. Pwyso. 3, 2, 1. Da iawn chi. Coes mas. Pwyso. 3, 2, 1. Da iawn chi. Put your leg out. Lean on the other leg. 3, 2, 1. Leg out. Weight on the other leg. 3, 2, 1. Coes mas. Un ola. 3, 2, 1. Cymrwch gorffwys. Have a break. Un I fynd. Naid seren. Star jumps. Pawb yn hoffi wneud naid seren. Yn gyntaf, ni'n mynd I wneud nhw'n araf. On yn mowr. Big stretches, but not too fast. Reit mas. Iawn? Reit, as far out as you can stretch. Pawb yn barod. 5 eiliad I fynd. Waith ydi. 2, 1, off on knees. So, mas. A mewn. Mas. Mewn. Da iawn. Okay, so the first ones, I want to see big stretches. Arms and legs. Big stretches. Da iawn. Mas. Mewn. Mas. Mewn. Da iawn. Mas. Mewn. 10 eiliad I fynd. Cadwch fynd. Mestyn mas. Mas. Mewn. 3, 2, 1. Gorffwys fyna. Un set I fynd. One more set. Tro ma, ni'n nhw bach mewn gyflym. Bit quicker. Cadw rhythm I fynd tro ma. Okay, so we're going to be a bit quicker. We're going to keep a rhythm going now, so we won't stop as much. 3, 2, 1. Off on knee. Okay, that's it. Get a good rhythm going now. We're not so slow in the middle. Dyn ni ddim mynd I stopio yn ochanol. Ni'n mynd I cario trwy though. We're going to keep going. We're not stopping in the middle. We're going to keep this rhythm going. Cofiwch bod chi'n mestyn mas. Then we're reaching out. Nice and far. With our arms and our legs. Da iawn. 3, 2, 1. A gorffen fyna. Da iawn chi. Calon ni hwnna. 1, 5, 2. 1, 5, 3. O, ni'n gweithio'n galed heddi. I've worked hard. Gobeithio bod chi wedi hefyd. Hope you've all worked hard. Cymrwch diod. Have a little drink. Ni'n mynd I cerdded o gwmpas. Have a couple of laps of our little box. Whew. Fi'n mynd mas i'r haul I mwynhau prynhawn ma. I think I'm going to go out to the sun this afternoon. Out to the sun. Cerdded o gwmpas. Couple of laps round. Da iawn chi. Un lap to, one more lap. Cofiwch. Miss y diod. Da iawn chi. Well done. Okay. Mewn i'r canol. Back into the middle. Ni'n mynd I ddechrau ymestyn. We're going to start stretching. Dechrau on top. Gwddwg. Lawr i'r ysgwydd. Your neck. Bend down to your shoulder. Don't bring your shoulder up. Take the neck down. 3, 2, 1. Ochr draw. Other side. 3, 2, 1. Da iawn. Breichiau. Un braich am draws. One arm over. Gwthio tu ôl penelyn. Pushing in behind your elbow. 3, 2, 1. Siglo. Shake it out. Ochr arall. Other side. Draw. Gwthio mewn. Tame bach. Little push in. Not too hard. 3, 2, 1. A siglo. Da iawn. Lawr y bola. Down to your tummy muscles. And syth iawn. Break a mas. And twist o un ochr. We're just going to twist to one side. Nice and straight. 3, 2, 1. And we're going to go the other way. Da iawn. 3, 2, 1. Lan a chi. Da iawn. Lawr y coesau nesa. Down to our legs. Okay. You've got un cam mas. Coes syth. That leg straight. Coesau wedi plygu. This leg's bent. And we esgus is still out. We're going to pretend to sit down. 3, 2, 1, da iawn. Siglo a newid drosto. So cwrs ma, ochr ma. Sy'n syth. Cwrs ma sy'n plygu. Okay. A ni'n mynd lawr. Da iawn. 3, 2, 1. Lan a ni. Da iawn chi. Cofiwch siglo popeth draw. Gobeithio bod chi'n mwynhau. Hope you've all enjoyed. Gobeithio bod chi wedi cofio bod ni'n symud i'r prynhawn, that we've had an afternoon session. Ni'n mynd i cario ymlaen i'r sesiynau prynhawn, o leia am wythnos ma a wythnos nesaf. So the next 2 weeks for definite, we'll be having afternoon sessions. So cofiwch, paswch y neges mlaen, let everyone know, go to school in the morning. Hey, did you do 55 last night? Did you do 55? Cofiwch gweud wrth ffrindiau, os nag yw'n nhw'n gwybod bod ni wedi symud i'r prynhawn. We've moved to the afternoon. So gobeithio bod pawb wedi mwynhau, a wylwn i chi prynhawn fory. Hanner awr wedi 4. 4:30, again, tomorrow afternoon. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much. Hwyl fawr.